Hello, my dear students. I am Padma Ramnamurthy, Director, cum Faculty, Pace Competitive Academy, Dwarkanagar, Vishakhapatnam. Welcome to our reasoning session. So, already we discussed ranking three videos, and I think most of the students feel syllogisms a little bit difficult topic. But actually syllogisms is very easy topic. By seeing the question itself, you can drop the direct answer. Okay, no need of do any rough. So that's why let me hope to discuss the syllogisms, and let me hope you also very easily understand and grab more marks in forthcoming competitive examinations. Okay, my dear students. So let us start the syllogisms. Actually, first of all, I would like to discuss the concepts of each topic. So then only the student can grab the shortcuts very easily. Maybe the question is some little bit tricky also. Okay, so today let us discuss some extent of syllogisms in this in this class. Okay, syllogisms. Actually, I know how the questions are coming from syllogisms. Okay, so my dear students, the questions are like this. The statement is given, and he may ask that all x is y, and the second one some y is z, and he may give the conclusions that all x is z, and some z is x, like this. Okay, and he may give the answer if one correct, one conclusion correct, then your answer is A. Two conclusion correct, then your answer is B. Either one or two, your answer is C. Neither one or two, your answer is D. Both one and two, your answer is E, like this. According to options, you can go for options. Okay. So first, in syllogisms topic, you are dealing with four words. What are the words? The first word is all, and the second one is no, and the third one is some, and the fourth one is some not. Okay, all, first word, no, second word, some, third word, and some not, fourth word. Because the statement says given all x is z, are the statements given no x is z, are statements given some x is z, are the statements given some x is not z, like that. Okay, just we, this is called universal positive, this is called universal negative, and this is called particular positive, and this is called particular negative. Once again I will explain you. All comes under which category? Universal positive. No comes under which category? Universal negative. Some comes under which category? Particular positive. Some not comes under which category? Particular negative. And he just put pet names for these four categories. Instead of calling all times universal positive, you just give it the pet name as A. Instead of calling universal negative, you just give the pet name as E. Instead of calling particular positive, you just give the pet name I. Instead of calling particular negative, you just give the name O. What are A, E, I, O? Those are the vowels. You only left because you are you itself. You can solve the question itself. Okay, clear, my dear students? Right. So many students in this topic, they draw the logical Venn diagrams. While learning, we may go through the logical Venn diagrams, but while coming to the examination point of view, while coming in view of the speed, accuracy, no need of drawing any logical Venn diagrams. In that, for that case, we are following a particular table. Clear, my dear students? So, let us take each variety. So let us take the first one, universal positive, that is called all, that is called A. Clear? In this type, you are having four varieties. A plus A gives A. A plus E gives E. A plus I gives no conclusion. A plus O gives no conclusion. What are they? In first case, let me check. Let me explain each and every case of A. First case, we discussed A plus A gives the answer A. For example, the statement all P is Q, and the second statement all Q is R. See here in exam you are having syllogisms, means you must check 2 points. What are those points? First you check this one, the first word given in the statement. In this case, both the cases you are having which word? All. All means, you know, my dear student, that comes under which one? Universal positive. You can call it as A variety because the first statement starting with all and also the second statement starting with all means we make it as a pet name as A. So the first variety is also A and the second variety is also A. A plus A gives the answer. What is it called? A. Because if all are positive, the conclusion must be in a positive only. Clear, my dear students? If all are positive, all statements positive, conclusion positive. This is the first you must remember. This is the one point. So here in this case, what happened? Both are A plus A. Right. It's okay. Clear. And next coming to in this statement, this position is called the subject and this position is called the predicate. And here is also this position is called subject and here this is also called a predicate position. So while listening what is the subject and what is the predicate, you just think that comes under a English grammar. Okay, there is no relation for these cases with the grammar of English. Okay, right. So see here, and we must have one common word in both the cases. In both the cases, what is the common word? Q. What is the common word we are having? That is called middle term. What is called? Middle term. So next, the important thing is position. What is the position of middle term? Predicate of first statement, subject of second statement. This must be like that only. Okay, the position must be first statement predicate and second statement subject. Clear, my dear students? So see, so this is here predicate and here it is subject. Right. Now it is perfect for drawing the conclusions. So once again I will explain you. What are the things you must remember? First, see the first words of each statement. Here it is starting with all and here also it is starting with all. All means, you know, my dear students, that comes under which category? Universal positive. And universal positive, you know, the students, if both positives clubbing statements, you can draw a positive conclusion. So that's why A plus A give the answer A itself. Okay, my dear students. So in this case also A plus A. And the second variety you must remember the middle term. The middle term means what is the common word in both the statements? It is called the middle term. So next one is the very important thing you must remember, the position of the middle term. The position of the middle term means in first statement it should be at the predicate place, and in second statement it should be at the subject place. Right, it is in correct positions. Now you can draw the conclusions. How many actual conclusions we are having? Four varieties of conclusions. But the examiner won't mention the varieties of conclusions. While seeing the conclusion, you must remember, oh, this one comes under this type of conclusion. Oh, this one comes under this type of conclusion, like that only. For our sake only, the names of the conclusions given. So the first one, that is perfect conclusion. Perfect conclusion, you simply called it as PC. PC means what is that? Perfect conclusion. Whatever the examiner is given, this is comes under which category? PC. Because he mentioned that A plus A gives the answer A. Means this only he given. So what is PC? How we can draw PC? So see, my dear students, just leave the common term Q. Okay, what the remaining? The subject place. In first one, the subject place is P. In the second one, the predicate place is R. Clear? If you want to club both the statements, you must remember, my dear students, by clubbing two statements, you must use one statement subject with other statement predicate, and also the other statement predicate with the subject. So no confusion, because suppose if you want to use this first statement predicate with the second statement subject, what are these two? Both are Q. That is called the middle term. In both cases, one term is common. You cannot club both. So that's why you can remember that in first statement subject, you can club with the second statement predicate. In the same reverse ulta case, means the second statement predicate with the first statement subject itself. Clear, my dear students? I hope you understand. Right. Now, how you can draw the perfect conclusion? By using the first statement subject. Means the condition is A plus A gives the answer A. So that's why you can start your conclusion with all. Simply you can say that all P is R. It's over. Clear? Perfect conclusion means all P's are. We are clubbing the first statement subject with the second statement predicate. Right. This is the whatever the examiner given the answer. And next coming to immediate inference. What is the immediate inference? So in perfect what we do? We club the first statement subject with the second statement predicate. While coming to the immediate inference, the second statement predicate with the first statement subject. So second predicate plus first subject. Simply you can say the answer. But A plus A gives the answer. A means that is applicable to PC only, not for the remaining immediate inference like that. So for this case, with which one we can start? Because here the statement is given all Q is R. Whether we start with all R or whether we start with the some R. For this condition sake, we just draw a logical Venn diagram. Suppose he says that all Q is R. See, my dear students, in logical Venn diagram, Q is a small circle that completely embedded into the large circle of R. Clear? But you can say simply answer all Q is R. But while coming back R to Q, you cannot say all R is Q. But you must use the word some R is Q only. Clear, my student? So, while converting all, you must use which word? Some. So, definitely your answer is some R is P. I hope you understand. Clear, my dear students? So the perfect conclusion is all P's are, because here we are using all means because A plus A comes under answer A. So that's why easily we can use all. All P's are. While coming to the immediate inference, if you want to convert this one, all always should be converted into sum. So you can get the answer. Sum or is P only. Right, my dear students? So perfect conclusion over and immediate inference is over. What are the remaining? Remaining are conversions. The third variety of conclusion, conversion. So what is conversion? What is conversion is nothing but whatever the statement that should be reversed. Means in coming to the first statement, what is given? All P is Q. So you just reverse the positions of subject and predicate of the same statement. How you can write? In all, you can convert all into two types of conversions. What are those? All P is Q. You just write sum Q is P. And the next one, sum P is Q. Clear, my dear students? It is possible that all should be converted into two types. Some Q is P and some P is Q. And coming to the second one, all Q is R. You just convert into some R is Q. And again, some Q is R. Clear, my dear students? Clear? I hope you understand this conversion, sir. Okay? Right. So, let us solve one more example in the same condition. A plus A. A plus A gives the answer A. Okay. So, see some more example. He says that all red is black. This is first statement. Second statement, all black is pink. Okay, my dear students, which two things we must remember? First, see the nature of the statement. What is the nature of the statement? Here it is given all, and in second also it is given all. If both are all, both comes under which variety? Universal positive. That is A variety. Both are A variety. It's okay, over. And what are the common word in both cases? The common word in both cases is black. So you must remember that the position of the middle term. What is the position of the middle term? In first statement, the position should be at predicate place, and in second statement, the position should be at a subject place. So see here, the black is predicate of the first statement and subject of the second statement. So the statement itself is perfect for conclusions. How many varieties you learn? 3 varieties of conclusions. What are those? Perfect conclusion. That means A plus A gives the answer A, that is given by the examiner. And the second one, we are drawing the immediate inference. And the next third variety is called conversions. So see, my dear students. So simply you can draw the PC. Instead of writing perfect conclusion, we can say it as PC. Simply, all red is black. So what is your answer? All black is pink means PC means you club the first statement subject with the second statement predicate by writing all red is pink. Very simple, very simple. And next one, immediate inference. Immediate inference, you simply write that if all black is pink, all should be converted into which one? Sum. This you must remember, my dear students. All should always convert into sum only. So simply your answer is sum pink is red. Clear? And next, coming to the conversions. So you know, students, all is converted into how many varieties? 2 varieties. The first variety is all always converted into sum. So you can say simple answer, sum black is red, and also sum red is black. Okay, clear, my dear students? And next, coming to all black is pink. Simply you know the answer. Some pink is black and some black is pink. Clear, over. Okay, right. How we grab the answer easily in examination? So suppose the question is given, the statement is given, all cats are rats and all rats are dogs, like this. So see here, the two things you must remember, both are in which case? A variety. So A variety means A plus A gives the answer A. And the second case, the middle term. What is the common word? Rats, that is the middle term. And the next one, the position of the middle term. The position of the middle term must be predicate of the first statement and subject of the second statement. Clear. Now, so let us check the conclusion. The first conclusion, all cats are dogs. And the second conclusion, all dogs are rats. So see, all cats are dogs. Cat is here and dog is here. So you club like this. If all cats are dogs means you are clubbing the first statement subject with the second statement predicate. Means that comes under which category? PC. Perfect conclusion. So simply you can say that all cats are dogs. This is exactly correct answer. While coming to the second one, all dogs are rats. So see here, no confusion. Dog is here, cat is here. Can we club both these? So remember, suppose if you want to club the first statement with the second one or in reverse order, second statement with the first statement, you must always remember that in one statement, one subject and the other statement predicate only you can club, in not both the same varieties. That means in first statement subject with the second statement subject is not right, and the first statement predicate with the second statement predicate is also not right. In the reverse ulta case is also not right. Means two subjects you cannot club and two predicates you cannot club. You must club one statement subject with the other statement predicate in the reverse manner. Predicate with the subject only. So see here, it is the dog. But don't remember here is the rat position. If here it is dog and rat is also in the same statement, means you are doing like this. If you are doing like this in the same statement means what is that called? That is called conversion. In conversion, if all is converted, that should always converted into some only. But here it is given all. So exact answer is, what is the exact answer? Some dogs are rats. But here it is given all dogs are rats. Means this is perfectly wrong answer. Only first option right. Clear, my dear students? I hope you understand. Okay, fine, good. Right. So let us move to the second variety. The second variety is A plus E. A plus E gives the answer E itself. Okay. So see here. A plus E gives the answer E. Positive plus negative, conclusion is always negative. In previous case what happened? We clubbed both the positives. So that's why we can get the answer as a positive. So that's why A plus A gives the answer. A means because we are clubbing both positives, we can get positive answer. But here what happened? We are clubbing the positive with the negative. Suppose one statement is negative, definitely the conclusion should be in a negative only. So that's why one is positive, one is negative. The conclusion is in a negative case. So let us check the example. Suppose all cars are vans. And the second statement, no vans are, what we can say, buses. Okay, whatever it may be. The example. So see here, The first one is universal positive and the second one is universal negative. And here both the cases you are having vans as the common term, that is called middle term. And the position of the middle term should be predicate of the first and the subject of the second. All the conditions are very favorable. Now it is ready for conclusions. Right. What is the first conclusion? You know PC. PC means what is it? Is called the perfect conclusion. How we can draw the perfect conclusion? By using the subject of the first statement and clubbing with the predicate of the second statement. The same rule is applicable. So here the cars and here the buses. Simply you can say the answer by using A plus E gives us E means no cars are buses. Clear, my dear students? And next, coming to immediate entrance, you are using the bus with the cars. Suppose all should be converted into which variety? Some variety. While coming to no, you just draw a logical Venn diagram. No vans are buses. Means a van is here, bus is here. Suppose no vans are buses, you are drawing two separate circles. You are saying that no vans are buses. My dear students, automatically you can say that no buses are vans. That means no should be converted into no itself. But while coming to all is converted into some only. Clear? Very simple. So you can say the answer, no buses are cars. Simple answer. Very good. Excellent. And while coming to conversions, the third variety. You know, my dear students, what is the first statement? The first statements are all cars are vans. If all cars are vans, how many types of conversions you can draw? Two types. Or you know, because in previous example we did it. All cars are vans means you can say simple answer. Some vans are cars. And coming to this one, some cars are vans. Clear, my dear students? Right. And while coming to the second one, no vans are buses. How many conversions are possible? 3 conversions are possible. Just remember. Suppose he is saying that no vans are buses. Simply the first conversion you can write no buses are vans. And next, some buses are not vans. And no vans are buses means simply you can write the answer. Some vans are not buses. Clear, my dear student? So see, by observing, all should be converted into no means from universal positive, we can draw the particular positive conversion. From universal negative, we can draw a particular negative conversion. Clear, my dear students? So that's why in no case how many conclusions you are having? 3 conclusions. In all case how many conclusions you are having? 2 conclusions. Clear? Okay, A plus E, okay? Right. So see, we can solve one more example. One more example with the A plus E. A plus E, you know, A plus E comes as E itself. So, statement. The statement is all birds are wings. Clear? And next one is no wings are feathers. Clear, my dear students? This is statement, this is statement 2. You know this is universal positive and this is universal negative. And in both cases, what is the common word? Wings. So it is in predicate of the first one and subject of the second statement. The positions are very crystal clear. Now it is ready for conclusions. So what is the first conclusion called perfect conclusion, PC. How we can draw the perfect conclusion? By using the subject of the first one and the predicate of the second one. So by using A plus E comes as E means no. Simply yes, you can say the answer. No birds are feathers. Automatically, by writing this, you know very well. This is very simple concept. Okay, no birds are feathers. And next coming to II means immediate inference. So by using feathers with the birds, you can say simple again the answer with no, because no should be converted into no itself. No feathers are what it is called birds. Clear? And next coming to conversions. So see here it is very easy. Once you know that all should be converted into how many varieties? 2 varieties. The same rule applicable. All birds are wings means simply you can say the answer some wings are birds. And simply you can say the answer some birds are wings. Okay, clear my dear students? All must be converted into some only. And next coming to no wings or feathers. How many you can draw? 3. The first variety is no feathers or wings. Very good, excellent. And next coming to the second one, some feathers are not wings. Because from negative statement we can draw negative conclusions only. And no feathers are birds means, no wings are feathers means you can say the answer some wings are not feathers. The same. Right, my dear students, I hope you understand. So in these examples, okay, clear? I hope. So what is a PC, what is a IA, and what is a conversions, okay? Right. So suppose in example, in examination, so the question is related with A plus E. So directly we can grab the options itself. How we can grab the options? Suppose example, so in examination you are having the statement like this. All pen is ink. And next the second one is no ink is blue, like this. So you know my dear students, you remember 2 cases. So the first one is this is the nature of the statement. This is universal positive and this is universal negative, and in both cases the common word is ink. The position is in predicate of the first one and the subject of the second statement. Okay, clear. So now he had given the conclusions that no blue is ink, and the second one is no pen is blue. So see here. So let us start with the first. Blue ink. Here is blue and here is ink. You know, you cannot club both the predicate of the 2 statements. Okay. So here is blue, here is ink. It is possible that it should be in a conversion manner. So no blue is ink means in conversions, one of the conversion is no blue is ink. This is correct option. And coming to pen, blue. Here is pen and here is blue. It is in subject and it is predicate. It is possible to club both. So no pen is blue means while coming to subject of the first one, predicate of the second one, it is definitely a perfect conclusion, PC. So in PC condition, A plus E gives the answer. E means no pen is blue. This is also perfectly right answer. So in this case, E. E means what is the option? Both are correct. Both 1 and 2 are correct. Like that, just simply you grab the options. No need of draw any logical Venn diagrams. Clear, my dear students? Right. So in A case, what we completed? A plus A we completed, and again A plus E we completed. And coming to the third one, A plus I, no conclusion. Okay, so A plus I no conclusion means coming to the statement all egg is hen and some hen is cock, like this. So, what are the things we must remember? So, the nature of the statement. This is universal positive. This is particular positive. Okay. And next one, the common word. The common word in both cases is hen. And the position is the predicate as well as the subject. Though all the conditions are right, but while coming to A plus I, there is no chance for perfect conclusion and immediate inference, because by clubbing the two statements in this condition you cannot get any answers. Clear, my dear students? So any answers means you cannot club egg with the cock and cock with the egg. So what are the possibilities? The possibilities are only conversions. So see, remember, my dear students, I will give you the entire table of the syllogisms, then you can understand. Now only we are dealing with only one type like that, because in this video I want to deal with A only, and next video I want to deal with E only, like that. So in that case you can understand very easily. After completion of all the types, we can make a chart to how to remember it very easily and how to grab the answers directly. Okay, so in this case you remember just A plus I no conclusion. A plus I no conclusion means there is no conclusions, not in that meaning. No conclusion means you cannot club both first as well as the second one, means there is no chance for PC as well as II, but you can draw conversions. Means, you know, my dear students, how many conversions are possible in A variety? 2 conversions. You know, some hen is egg. My dear student, always remember, all should be converted into some only. Right? And next coming, some egg is hen. Right, and next coming to this conversion, some hen is cock. Suppose if you want to draw a logical Venn diagram, some hen is cock means you are intersecting these two in the same way. So means some hen is not cock, some hen is cock. Automatically you can say that some cock is hen. So in this case some hen is cock. Only one conversion possible, some cock is hen. Because while trying for second conversion, you can get the same answer, some hen is cock. So remember, in all varieties, how many conversions possible? 2. In no variety, how many conversions possible? 3. In some case, how many conversions possible? Only 1. Clear, my dear students? These 3 are the exact correct conversions for this variety. Okay, I hope you understand. Right. And next coming to fourth variety, A plus O. In this case also no conclusion. He said there is no possibility of conclusion. A plus O, no conclusion. No conclusion means you cannot draw PC as well as I is not possible. But you can draw the conversions. Suppose the statement is given, all red is pink and some pink is not orange. See, my dear students, this is universal positive, this is particular positive, and in both cases pink is common. So pink is common means that is called the middle term. So the middle term position should be the predicate of the first statement and subject of the second statement. Though all the conditions are possible, but the examiner said that in A plus O you cannot draw any PC and II. So remember, students, there is no possibility, but you can have the possibility for conversions. You know, my dear students, how many conversions you can draw? 2 conversions for all. So all must be converted into some only. Some pink is red and some red is pink. From universal positive you can draw universal particular positive conversions. In this case, some pink is not orange. Simply you can say that some orange is not pink. So particular negative you can convert into only one conversion. Means in summarized, for the sake of conversions, all you are having 2 conversions, some you are having 1 conversion, some not you are having 1 conversion, for no case you are having 3 conversions. Remember, my dear students, these points. Okay, how many conclusions we are remembering? 3 conclusions, 3 varieties of conclusions. What are they? The perfect conclusion, the immediate conclusion, immediate inference, and the third one is conversions. So this is all about A variety. And let me explain the fourth one, that is called complementary pair conversions. So suppose example, let us take the example. First one, all x is y, and the second one, all y is z. Which category it is? A plus A comes as A. You know the perfect conclusion. What is that? All x is z. You know II. What is that? Some z is x. You know the conversions. From all you can get 2 conversions. Some y is x. Some x is y. Here is also some z is y. Some y is z. These are all the possibilities. But suppose the examiner gives the conclusion, the first conclusion, some x is z, and the second one, some x is not z. See, my dear students, some x is z, here is the x and here is the z, means you are clubbing the subject of the first statement with the predicate of the second statement. So that means this comes under PC. How you club these two in PC case? A plus A comes as A only, means the perfect PC is all x is z, not some x is z. This is wrong. So my dear students, remember that the PC should be like that only, means it must be like that only. Okay, you can suppose if you are having doubt, from universal positive we can draw the particular positive. Conversion only. See, conversion only. Not PC, not II. Okay. So that's why you cannot give the answer. If all x is z, some x is z possible. That is wrong answer, because this comes under PC, my dear students. Remember, no confusion. So this is wrong answer. Some x is not z. Already I told you that if both the statements are positive, the conclusion must be in positive. So there is no chance of negative. So this is also wrong. Suppose if both are wrong, means your answer is neither nor. But in this case, you just give the option either or. Means because this variety comes under which variety? Complementary pair. Complementary pair. What are the complements? Suppose if you get any success, somebody gives you the complements. So the complement, like the complementary pair, means there is no direct relation with the statements. You must remember that for this sake of complementary pair, one conclusion should be positive and one conclusion should be negative, having same words. Okay, my dear friends, what are the complementary pair rules. There is no direct relation with the statements. One conclusion should be positive, one conclusion should be negative, having the same words. Same words means here is also x, here is also z, here is also x, here is also z, like that. Okay, and perfect conclusion should not be complementary pair. CP means suppose if it is given that all x is z, all x is z means that comes under which category? PC. Then your answer is 1 only, not the answer C, because PC should not be a complementary pair. Clear, my dear students? So this is all about the complementary pair. How many varieties of conclusions are there? 4 varieties. Let me explain once again about the complementary pair. Suppose in case of example, the statement is given that all M is W and no W is Z. See, my dear students, this is universal positive, this is universal negative, and here you are having both common words as W, that is called middle term. The position of middle term should be predicate and subject. Everything is okay, and A plus E comes as E. What is the perfect conclusion? No M is Z. What is II? No Z is M. What are the conversions? Some W is M, some M is W. Because in all you are having 2 conversions. What about no? Some no Z is W. And the second one, some Z is not W. And the third one, some W is not Z. These are the exact examples. But the examiner given that the conclusion no M is Z. Clear, my dear students? And the next example, some Z is M. So see here, in what is the complementary pair conditions? One conclusion should be positive and another conclusion should be negative. You are having negative conclusion and you are having positive conclusion. And whatever the second condition, both conclusions should have the common words. Common words means here also M, here is also Z, here is also Z, here is also M. Though the conditions are okay. See this condition, this conclusion, no M is Z, M is here, Z is here. Means you are clubbing the subject with the predicate. Means this comes under which category? Perfect conclusion. So though all the conditions are satisfied for complementary pair CP, you cannot give it as CP option because here is PC. So definitely your answer is 1 only, because PC is given the first weightage, IA is given the second weightage, conversions is given the third weightage. So the least priority only goes to PC according to the options only. We cannot create a CP complementary pair. We can create PC, we can create II, we can create conversions, but you cannot create the CP. While it is given in the examination and it should be mentioned in options only, then we can opt this option. Okay, so means least weight is given to CP. These are the conditions. Okay, my dear students, I hope you understand for A. And the next video we will discuss about E and I and O. Okay, so let us hope enjoy the video. Just make a practice with the A. So soonly I wish to release the second video about the syllogisms. Okay, so please subscribe our channel and please give your excellent opinions and also your doubts. Welcome, my dear students. Okay, hope prepare well. All the best. Thank you.